Hello, it's Bramware again. Today, talking about drop-down lists. Did you find yourself adding a new item but it doesn't show up in the list? You forgot to update the list range, now the data is out of sync. It's a small thing, but it slows you down every time. The good news is, here is how to fix that for good with dynamic drop-downs with named ranges. Instead of selecting a static range like A1 to A10, try this. Use a table or dynamic range that automatically expands as you add new data. Follow the video to see the next slide. This is how you create named ranges. You select your range, then you go to formulas, define name. You select your range, then you go to formulas tab, then define name, then you select define name, then you define name, and this one we define it as particulars. I emphasize on small caps to avoid errors. If the name already exists, we can change the name to Proven 1, Particulars 1, Particulars 1, then OK. Now we have named ranges. Next thing we need to do is to create a named range. As you can see, this is a list of the available medicines. So you can only add a list from the available, from a list box. So this is how you create a list box. You first have a list of what you sell, if it's medicines, if it's Brufen, Panadol, Cetirizine, Pep, Azita, Prep, Sweetex, Paracetamol, and what have you. After you have created your list, you make sure to format this one. You make sure to format your list into a table. You format it into a table and you name that table. So to name the table, you go to Design tab and Table name. You give it as, I give it is at meds. So when I have this table of meds, if I add another medicine like Panadol Extra, it has been updated in the table. So I will find it in my list. I'll find it in my list. Panadol Extra. It has been automatic. Remember, I have typed this list as a list. So to create a list box, you click on data, then you click on data validation, then validation criteria, you click a list, then you define the source. Now our source, we will select the table. As you can see, the table is active, indicating that it's the source. And that is how we create a list box. And to make it automate when you add into the list. Thank you, and keep in touch for more and more videos about Microsoft Excel.